Take a seat right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare and I'm unaware.
So I'm starting off by cleaning off my brush, and then I'm going to be taking this orange shade and just applying that into my crease all over. And I'm using this kind of brown orange shade from my contour palette, and I'm also applying that within my crease as well. And then taking my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, I'm spritzing my brush with it, and then taking that middle shimmery shade to make it more pigmented and applying it to my eyelid, but it wasn't coming out as pigmented as I wanted it to be, so then I started using my finger, and then I'm using those two shades and mixing them and applying them into my crease as well, mainly focusing on the outer part and the inner parts of my eyelid. I'm just gonna blend away, and then moving on to the face, I'm spraying my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water again, and then just patting it in. Oh, sorry, it's not the rose water, it's the cucumber one. And then we're gonna start off with my eyebrows. I'm just brushing them out, and I did my eyebrows off camera because I didn't want them to take forever, but the products that I use for them will be listed in the description box. And then I'm taking my primer. This is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Primer, and I'm just applying that all over my face. Gotta get that moisture in, you know. And I did not use lashes because I do have lash extensions, so yeah. But starting off with my foundation, I'm mixing the Sephora Collection foundation along with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream foundation, mixing them together to get my perfect shade, and then just blending it all over my face. Side note, I believe they discontinued this Becca foundation, but they brought out another 24-hour coverage one that is pretty much the same exact as this one. The shades are just slightly different. And then I'm going in with my Real Technique sponge after applying everything with a brush to make sure there are no streaks and that everything is evenly blended and spread out. And then using my NYX concealer in the shade Tan, I'm applying that underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and onto my chin for some highlight. And then I'm going to use my sponge once again to blend it out, starting with my chin first and then going to my nose. I like to let the concealer underneath of my eyes sit for a little bit so it can get tacky, which gives me more coverage. And I work with one eye at a time when I'm doing my concealer. I'm going to blend out this eye first, and then after I blend it out, I'm going to immediately set it with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder just so I don't get any creases and that it's freshly set. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other eye. And I'm going on to set the rest of my face, starting with my chin, working around my mouth up to my nose, and then I'm going to use my sponge to set the rest of my face. After setting my face, I'm going to go in with my contour palette. I'm using the same contour palette that I used on my eyes, and I'm taking that deeper shade and just contouring around my cheeks as well as my forehead and my nose. This is the BH contour palette, by the way. And I'm using my L'Oreal, I believe it's the Lash Paradise mascara on my bottom lashes. Since I have lash extensions on the top, I can't apply mascara up there. And then I'm using my NYX setting spray to set my face. Then going in with highlight, I'm using those two shades from the Casey Holmes Smashbox Collection collab and just applying them on my cheeks, you know. And then I'm taking a baby wipe to clean all of that foundation and stuff off of my lips, and then I'm just going to moisturize it before I apply my lip color. I'm using this brown lip liner from NYX, and then I'm going in with a soft matte lip cream also from NYX. I believe this is in Abu Dhabi. The correct shade will be listed in the description box along with all of the other products that I used. But that is it. I did not film an intro or outro to this video, so yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all really liked and enjoyed it. Leave any comments that you have down below, and I see you all in my next video. Bye guys.